Thank you for joining us again today. We are bringing to you two cars from slightly different worlds. We have a new Porsche 992.2 Viola Metallic Purple or Viola Purple Metallic GTS. Over here we have a blue Sophia's Aventador SVJ Coupe. We're going to start with the SVJ. The SVJ is lowered on Novitec adjustable springs, featuring our VLS 10 wheels in a three-piece classic SC configuration. Again, the SC stands for slightly concave. It's an old school look, nice classic take. Client went with a gloss black center on this with polished race lips. Our polished race lips, or any of our race lips for that matter, give a sharper edge, more cutting, a little bit more aggressive that a lot of clients like. It's a little bit an ode to the old school cars. They use them and they're commonly known as J-lips, but obviously some of these sizes are a little bit more difficult to attain. We call them our race lips. Gloss black centers, polished lips, gloss black inners, center lock configuration. Actually on both of these vehicles, this Lambo center lock, full visible gloss black hardware, 20 by 9 in the front, 21 by 13 in the rear, wrapped in the OEM size tires. You have a 245/30/20 on the front and a 355/25/21 on the rear, I believe. Again, lowered aggressive fitment, a little bit lower than most people would, but again, no rubbing, no issues. The client could enjoy this car the way he intended. Not only does the vehicle have our wheels, this vehicle is completely done up. The most important part, and what you hear the most, is going to be the Brook Racing Inconel system, a valve system at that. This client lives in a area with buildings and whatnot, and you don't want to be too much of a nuisance. Brooks offers an amazing solution with that, with your valve setup. We are big fans of the product. It sounds like an ad, but big fans of the product. Seamless, goes really well with the Aventadors. We use it a lot on the Porsche and other applications as well. But this client has their full system. Our tuning, of course, Velos tuning. He also has a complete audio system. You can't see it, not visible, but it is a sour spot from the factory, so the client has all that done up. Again, back to why we're here. Velos VLS 10 wheels, three-piece configuration. The VLS 10s are available in a one-piece and multiple three-piece configurations. We're gonna swing over in a second to the Viola Metallic 992.2 after we're done with this one, so you can see them in a one-piece configuration. So again, Aventador SVJ, these are super limited, going up really well in value, and we're just happy that this client chose to go to one of our dealers and get our Velos VLS 10 wheels in this configuration. Let us know what you think below. Are the polished lips too much, or does the polished lips bring the blue Sophia's to life? I think so. I think gloss black is a little bit too dark, and especially on a Lamborghini, but please let us know what you would have done different in the comments below this one. Thank you again. Here we are. In a world where I can't sell any of these cars, I'm probably taking this one over, but a 992.2 brand new hybrid GTS in PTS Viola Metallic Purple. One of my favorite colors in this car. This client decided to go one step further. Our VLS 10 wheels in a one-piece forged configuration, 21 by 9.5 in the front, 22 by 12.5 in the rear. You've heard us mention those wheel sizes quite a bit. The front is wrapped in a Michelin 255/30/21 4S tire. The rear is wrapped in a 355/25/22 Michelin 4S. Aggressive fitment so you can appreciate the natural wide body nature of these 992s. 21, 22, lowered on H&R springs, no headache, no rubbing. Client can enjoy this car for daily driving, cruising on the weekend, whatever he wants. But this is what it is here. The paint to sample Viola Metallic Purple on the wheels. We also added a machine pinstripe to help break up the paint to sample color from the vehicle. If you go to our photo gallery or follow us on any of the socials, you may see these on other vehicles where we do something like that. You could opt for the machine pinstripe if you'd like, just to break it up a little bit so you could appreciate the color of the car and still appreciate the lines. Michelin's front and rear, lowered on springs, 992.2 GTS, factory aero wing package, ceramic window tints all around, beautiful OEM plus setup maybe because of the wheels. And again, we want to hear about this one. What would you have done differently? Gloss black wheels, super safe. Brushed aluminum, gloss clear, super safe. Both of those are options. But the beauty of this is everybody gets to build a set of wheels to what their liking is, and that's what we're here for. If you have any questions about any of these, please feel free to contact us directly, phone, email, even comment below if you want, and any of the socials. Thank you guys again. 2 VLS 10 setups, our VLS 10 style in 2 different configurations. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll be back with more content soon. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And thanks for sticking around with the rough audio we've had in the past couple of videos. Hopefully we're getting that sorted out right now. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.